Introducing peanut butter does not have to be scary. Here's how to do it safely. When introducing peanut butter to your baby, it's best to do so when they're ready to start solids, typically around 6 months of age. Ensure that your baby is healthy at the time, as illness can make it difficult to distinguish between symptoms of sickness and a potential allergic reaction. It's best to introduce peanut butter on its own to clearly identify any adverse reactions to this specific food. The safest way to offer peanut butter is by mixing a small amount with breast milk or warm water until it reaches a smooth consistency. Start by applying a tiny amount to your baby's lips rather than their skin. Wait about 10 minutes before offering more, and if no reaction occurs, you can gradually increase the amount. Always introduce peanut butter during your baby's wake windows, so you can closely monitor them for any symptoms. If your baby experiences a reaction such as hives, vomiting, or difficulty breathing, call 000 immediately, as they may be experiencing an anaphylactic reaction.